Hi, today I'm going to show you how you can withdraw Doxcoin onto your Telegram wallet. So of course, first off, you will have to open Telegram, right? And from Telegram, you will have to go to the doc spot here, and then let's click on Let's Go. On Let's Go, you'll see it'll open the app like this. Just wait for it to load. Now you can see on the app right here, I already have my wallet connected like this, right? And you can see on this home section, right now, it doesn't have a withdraw button, right? Because sometimes it's available, sometimes it's not. And unfortunately, as the time I'm recording this, the withdraw button is not available. But the withdraw button is, of course, usually at the home section here, and there'll be a big button here that says withdraw to wallet, right? And if you want to know what it looks like, it usually looks like this, right? So it usually looks like deposit to exchanges like this, right? And it'll show what kind of how many talks you have as well. And you just have to click on this button here to deposit your exchange. And you can see it's at home as well. It's the exact same app as well. And you can see right now, unfortunately, my button does not exist. But if you do check the Talks wallet and the button is there, and then you can withdraw if the button is there. If you like this video, please consider liking and subscribing.